Hi, I'm Zhiang, and this is a term project for CMU 112. And the tool I developed is called Solar Shadow Design Simulation Tool, and it's especially for building design. And here's my tool. You can see the tool is in 3D, and I only use TK-Inter, and I never use any additional models, so all 3D is achieved in TK-Inter. I can rotate, I can zoom in, zoom out, I can move. And there are three types in my program. First is geometry and dynamic and simulation. In geometry tab, I can change latitude, window orientation, window size, and the shading type, and the shading size. I can add the shading. And this is my shading, this is my shadows, little gray points. And I can also add another shading, the vertical shading. But I can't input some invalid input, such as characters. Invalid input. I can only input some valid ones. I can't add some too high or too long shading. Say 3 meters out of 2.5 meters is invalid. So I can change this window size, and the limit will also change. So now I can add a shading because it's already below 3.2 meters. So I want to add some normal shading for demonstration. Vertical shading, yes. And I go to dynamic tab. And in this tab, I can define date and time. And this is time bar. And this is the time of the current time I'm at. You can see that at different time, the shadow will change accordingly. And if I move below the very far, it shows sound behind the window. And here it shows the percentage of window in shadow. Say now it's 49%. And I go to simulation tab, I define start day, and I define the end day until half year simulation, so June 22nd update. And I define interval, maybe 51 days, and I start simulation. And take a while, and it will basically simulate every day you define every hour. And here it shows where we are, and here it shows percentage of window in shadow. And the result's not ready yet because no result can open. And May 5th, it may take a long time. And this is the second last day. And this is the last day. Now we have results. Result ready. Open result is in CSV format. CSV format. And here you can show the basic information. And here it shows the date I simulate, an hour I simulate. And this part shows the percentage of window in shadow. We can say in February 1st. At 11 a.m., the 30% of windows in shadow. I close it. I can also save it. And I can go back and clear all shadings and start working. And this is my tool. Thank you for watching.